Hi friends, my name is Dog the Puppy, and today I have another story for you. One day, Dog saw some yummy cookies. I want a cookie, he said. Mom smiled. You can have one after dinner. Dog frowned. I want it now, he said. He walked to the cookies and reached out, but then he stopped. Something didn't feel right. Dog remembered, good things come to those who wait. Dog took a deep breath. Okay, I will wait. After dinner, Mom gave him a cookie. Yay, said Dog happily. From that day on, Dog learned, being patient makes things better. The end.